Hi everyone, hope you're doing well in week 3. I wanted to post a brief video here regarding the research paper, which is due on February 15th, which is a Monday at 7 o'clock. I like to post these videos even though we might talk about it in class if we do meet with you in class, or certainly you can find all the information online. But it just gives you a little bit more information that might help you get started if you get stuck along the way. So this is a research paper that's intended to explore, interpret, and evaluate related sources of a specific topic relating to treatment methods. So the first thing you're going to go do is choose from this list of topics. Find a particular category of disorder, a type of disorder that most interests you. So you have a topic, a choice rather, of treatments for anxiety disorders, mood disorders, schizophrenia, eating disorders, autism spectrum, as well as Alzheimer's disease. So I always suggest to students, find something you want to know more about and use this as an opportunity to learn more about it. Then what you're going to do is go to the Front Range online databases. I'm sure most of you have used these before. I always recommend EBSCO. It's the Social and Behavioral Sciences link under EBSCO that really gets you into good psychology research articles. You need to choose 3 on the same topic. One of the 3 must be an experiment where they actually tested out a treatment method, for example, anxiety disorders, and they found that this treatment is more effective than this treatment. The term we sometimes use for that is best practice. So this is the best way to treat phobias, for example, or generalized anxiety disorder. So find at least one experimental. All 3 can be experimental articles, and that actually makes your paper richer because you have more data to talk about and use to support your thesis statement. But again, one must be an experiment. Basically, writing your paper, there's some components here. You do need 3 in-text citations. So you borrow information, make sure you cite those according to APA style. And I like lots of data. Make sure you're talking about how many participants, what statistics, what are the percentages, what did they find, what was the results. When you put your paper together, you'll have a title page, you'll have an abstract. It's a 4 pages of content, it's a 4-page requirement, and then you'll have your last as a reference page. Try to stay within those 4 pages, it's generally enough. Lastly, here's your rubric that shows you how the points are divided amongst the 75 points. So make sure you use this as a guide to know that, so there's 15 points for the 3 in-text citations. Okay, check, got that done, and so forth. So it's always good to use this as a guide. So that's your paper. Again, email me if you have any questions. You can find this assignment embedded in the weeks leading up to it, as in the modules, as well as just under writing assignments under its own module. Well, have fun with it and keep in touch. Talk to you guys soon.